Hi friends, welcome back to Dazzling Dishes for You, and today we are going to make kofta curry, one of the very popular Indian cuisines. And here we have made the koftas with bottle gourd instead of paneer and potatoes. You can even use cauliflower or even broccoli. And the curry is exactly a creamy, lightly sweet and lightly spiced, and you follow the steps to make that thick paste at home. So the first step is making of the koftas. Here I've used bottle gourd, which is called loki in Hindi. I'll be using one medium size bottle gourd and using a blender to grate it. After grating, this is how the texture and the consistency looks like. It's like dry. I'm using a strainer here to take the excessive water out. So this step is really important. Don't miss it out. Keep the water because we'll be using it in the curry part. Once all the water is done, pour the mixture into a big mixing bowl. Add flour, 3/4 of a cup, turmeric, salt, and now chop garlic and add ginger. Now mix and knead the dough well. Add oil if needed. You can even add more flour to make the dough more thick. Add roasted cumin seeds and red chili powder. Keep on mixing. So this is how the consistency of the dough of the koftas look like. Before you actually roll, put a little of oil and roll it on your palm into any shape. So here I'm using a round circular shape and stuffed a little of paneer into a kofta, and this is how it looks like. These are round shaped ones. Now these are the breadcrumbs. You can even roll the koftas in the breadcrumbs before you actually dip in the oil, or you can even make another shape like a cylinder like I'm making it, which just gives a look of a kofta, malai kofta. Take a white pan for frying the koftas. Now here goes the first kofta in the hot oil, and here is the golden brown color. And here are rest of the koftas ready for the curry. You can use both the shapes of kofta in the same curry. We'll be using a pan again for the curry. So almost 2 tablespoons of oil. Chop the onion. Saute the onion in the less oil because the whole point is less of oil. And this is the tomato again. Dice the tomato. Saute both of them. I'm even using ginger here. So if you have ginger, add the ginger right now. Saute a little bit. We don't have to actually overcook or fry them. Let the mixture cool down and then use a blender to make it into a thick paste. Once the paste is done, take the same pan, pour 1 tablespoon of oil, add the paste to it. Saute it a little bit. A little salt, add paprika, 1/2 teaspoon, black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon, coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon. And this is the cashew paste. Use cashew and water mixture. Blend it really well because this is the paste which looks like the creamy paste, but it is not butter, it is not cream and milk. So this is the main ingredient for the kofta curry. Mix the white creamy paste in your rich curry paste and give a mix blend. So if you think this is high in consistency, thick, add the bottle gourd water right now and let it simmer down. So this is your silky smooth curry ready. And this is the koftas ready to be served. You can serve the koftas with boiled white rice for lunch or dinner. And as you can see, when you cut the koftas into 2 halves, the green color really looks beautiful. This is actually the loki color. The flavor is also really good and the creamy texture is really looking awesome. So you can serve this restaurant style kofta curry with lacha parathas like this. Keep watching our dazzling dishes for you, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.